Hi everybody, it's Mindy, and it's been a little bit since I have unbagged or unpackaged from this company, but this is Fansells, all right? And this is my first promotional order from Fansells. Yep, Fansells did contact me and asked if I wanted to get some stuff to show, and I was like, sure. I mean, I like Fansells. Back at the beginning of the whole pandemic, my order took forever and ever, and I thought it was lost, but it did come. And now I think shipping is getting a lot better. Look, one comes in a box. I find that very interesting. So this is from Fansells. Yeah, okay. Anything else in there? Nope, the bag is empty. All right, well, do we do it all together or not? What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, let's do like 2, I guess. 8 things takes forever, so let's do 2. Okay. Oh, let's do that one. That's interesting. Let's do a couple things in a box, and let's do, I don't know. Let's do this. Okay. Okay. Let's get into these. Okay. What do we have? Let's do the box. The box is kind of cool. Okay. At first I thought, did I get a light? Did I get another light? No, I didn't get a light. This is not a light. Okay? It's not a light. It's not a house. It's nothing, you know. All the things you think that come in boxes. No, it's a small diamond painting in a frame. Okay? Yeah, that's what we have. So we have the frame. Isn't it cute? Oh, we got some plexiglass here. Hang on. Plexiglass, the back. Here's the frame. Okay? It's a cute little thing, right? Here's our toolkit. Okay. Here is what we diamond paint. Ooh, look, it's got a lot of drills. Ooh, it's got hearts on it. Look at that. It's got a lot to drill. Wow. And then it will go in the frame. Just a cute little thing. Okay. All right. It is a special drill painting. So let's see what we have. I think it's all blues. Ooh. Wow, that's some big things. I didn't expect such large things. Okay, a very pretty cobalt blue. See, it is all blues, I believe. Okay, this looks like it's a black resin. Yep, I think that's black resin. All right, so things will, my camera just blurs. Come on, thank you. And then we get larger. Okay, so this is a larger cobalt. Okay, are these like the same colors? Sort of. Larger, larger, another black, and then we go larger, larger, and here's those hearts, and some like teardrop shape clear, but they have AB, so. And then we have these big things. Look at, oh, this must go in the center. Wow, that is cobalt blue right there. Yep, my sister would love this. My sister has a cobalt blue glass collection. She would love this. Then we have some purple, like teardrops. Those are pretty. Then we have these guys. Wow, these are spiffy nifty. I like these. I don't think I've ever had any like that. Those are cool. So that'll be, look, greens and purples and blues and yellows, everything. Total complete oil slick there. All right, so that's cute, very cute. Sorry, that was my dishwasher closing. All right, this I'm excited about. I wanted one of these for a while. And I finally have one. Yay! Okay. Poured glue. Yep, we can roll it backwards. This is your typical oil canvas on here, just so you know. Here's our toolkit. Baggy, wax, pen. Look at the colors, though. This is not normal for me. I know. I'm not really a green fan, but this was a really pretty picture. We have DMC codes on the canvas. Yes, we do. Oh, and it's bigger than I thought. It is very, very pretty. So you see what it is, right? It is round. You do not paint the white. It is completely circular. You will cut this out when you are done, and you have a complete circle. It's larger than I thought. Wow, 14 colors. That's nice. I like it. I believe it's magnolias. Very cool. I like it. I really like it. Yeah. Like I said, green is not normally something I would gravitate towards. But this one is pretty. All right. Here are our colors. Look at the yellow, super pretty. Now there are no DMC codes on the bag, but they are on the canvas. It's either a black or really dark brownish gray. Mint. Ooh, this is super pretty right here. Burgundy, cream, another yellow, a whole selection of greens, right? This is definitely a gray. Off-white and then peachy colors. Those are both 14, so there's a lot of those. I like that. That's really pretty. It is much larger than I thought. I mean, I thought it was going to be, you know, maybe like this big, but no, it's, you know, it's a good size. I like it. That's cool. Framing it will be fun, right? Come up with a unique framing plan for that one. That's cool. I like it. All right, you hang out over there. All right, this one's fat. This one's pretty fat. I don't know what we got in here, but it's a good size. Okay, what is it? Let's see. A bag and a bag. Gotta love the bagging. Okay, come on. As I'm unbagging this, I'm just going to tear it. As I'm unbagging this, it's the day after the elections, and if you've been watching, you know, it's crazy out there. All the votes still coming in, and just, we won't have a president until Friday. Well, we have a president, but you know what I mean. We won't know the results of this election until Friday, probably. I'm one of those states. We're part of it in Michigan. Anyhow, there you go. Pretty drills. Pretty. Okay. It's not all that big. It just felt heavy and fat. But, oh, it's cute. It's very cute. Okay. Do you know what attracted me to this? Obviously, the chair. But you know why? We have 2 chairs like this out in our backyard. We have plastic ones now. Yes. We got rid of the wooden ones. No, we left the wooden ones with my daughter because we got tired of painting them. Because, you know, you'd have to paint them like almost every year or every other year, these Adirondack chairs. But we have 2 plastic ones now, and they just will fade over time, I guess. But anyhow, it has 28 colors. That's a lot. That's a lot for some of these smaller, you know. Look at the drill field. Perfectly clear. So this is me, right? This is my world. I'm out gardening. Look, there's a bird hanging out here. Pot of flowers. This looks like the trowel or shovel. There's another tool here. Bucket. Yep, this is me. I've been out, you know, working in my garden, tending my flowers, and then, you know, I need to come in. Oh, that's a watering can. Yeah, it's a water can. I had it too close up. I couldn't tell what it was. Can you tell it's a watering can? Yep. I had it way too close up. This looked like it was some tool over here, but it's just the spout of the watering can. This is a tool down here. But yeah, super, super cute, right? Yeah, I like it. Okay. Drills. There is DMC codes on this canvas. It is on both sides. Letters and numbers. Yeah. Letters and numbers on this one. What is the deal with these? They're just kind of... Okay, that's what's weird about the whole thing. Okay, those are in there, and then these are in another bag. I don't know. Did they forget some? Maybe they forgot some. Okay, now this is really weird. Okay. You see what we have here, right? We have a small strip with blue, dark blue, green, I don't know, black probably, blue and white. So we have this strip, and you'll see the strip Has this blue package, blue strip across it. This is individual bags with not, is it the same strip? Yeah, I guess it is the same strip. It just looks different. Okay, interesting. So there's supposed to be 28 colors. Well, let's see if we have 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8. All right. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You can kind of see the colors I'm doing that, right? 21, 22. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, they're all here. All right. Apparently I don't know. They're all here. Okay. Enough said about that. We'll just set that one over there. As long as I get everything I need, I don't care how it comes, right? As long as they're all there. Oh, you guys will laugh at this. You will laugh. Well, I got to get it out of the second bag. Hang on. We got another bag before we can laugh. There were a few of these. Yeah, there were a couple different ones. I just can't get it out of this bag. Come on. I'm never putting it back in the bag, so I can tear it. But there were a couple different styles, and they were all cute. But this one's really thick, real thick canvas. But this was my favorite of them. Now there were some that had 2 images. This one has 1. It's got pretty colors. And it is so funny. Oh, it's just a 30 by 30. It's cute. Oh man, I don't know. This is wild and woolly hairy cow, right? With a flower in its teeth. It's so cute. Like I said, there was some that they had like 2 cows, and there was a few that had 1 cow. We had DMC codes again, 20 colors. It's so cute. You can't see, look, his hair is over his eye and everything. It's like, oh boy, I had to do it. I don't know why he's so cute, but he's just adorable. He's adorable, you guys. Don't be surprised if I go back and get the couple. I might have to get the... He's a 30 by 30. He's cute. Okay, how many colors is he supposed to have? 20. I said that already. DMC codes on the canvas. Both sides. Look, 2 legends. Look, I mean, you can't ask for a much clearer drill field than that now, can you? Yeah, I mean, you really can't. It's super great. Okay, that's a good find right there. I love it. All right, let's look at drills. Blue. That's got to be blue background. That blue background. Okay. And there's a lot of F's. Okay, F, 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 F. But then down here we got 1, 1, 1. So there's going to be a couple blues in the background. Here's one of them. And then a peach with all kinds of stuff in there with it. Black, purple, green. Okay, here comes cow colors, right? What do you call these? Oranges, corals, yellowy orange. There's another blue. Got some green for our flower, some browns, yellows, burgundies, pink, yellow, purple, and some white. He's cute. I like him. All right, so this was very interesting. This was a fun little unboxing, different things. I'm really surprised how big that flower is. The round, it is really big. And we got drills that came, you know, all kinds of different ways. But hey, everything's looking good so far, right? I think he's so cute. All right, that's part one, you guys. We'll get to the next part here in a minute. Well, I'll get it in a minute, and you'll get it in a couple days. You know, that's how that works, right? Okay. Thanks for watching, you guys. And if you haven't been to Fansells in a while, go to Fansells. I think Fansells and Your Best Deals, they're advertised together now. I do believe they're the same company completely. I don't know, you can go to each store separately though. I do have stuff coming from Your Best Deals as well when it gets here. So anyhow, thanks for watching, subscribing, liking, becoming members, all that stuff. I know, unboxing after unboxing after unboxing. Just let me know when you're tired of them. I think they're slowing down a little bit. So, okay, I'll talk to you later. Happy cow.